Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help Australians just like you start their own profitable businesses on Amazon right here in Australia. We've helped over 2,000 folks around Australia get their businesses up and running, and we're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs anywhere in Australia, with sales of over $50 million. If you want to find out more, go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Ever wondered how some Chinese sellers are able to get thousands of reviews just like that? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Here's a good one for you. So, how do listings like this end up with so many reviewers? What's going on here? How are listings like this being gamed by, typically this is by Chinese sellers, to game the reviews, okay? So I thought it'd be kind of neat to show you a black hat strategy for gaming the Amazon review system. Not that I think you should do this, instead just so that you're aware what goes on. So here's the product look. It is a pest repeller for mosquitoes, blah, 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 okay? A pest repeller. So let's just go to the ratings. And if you read the ratings, you will quickly see that mixed in with these ratings is actually ratings for other products, okay? So this is for a fly zapper, not the product that's being sold. Where else? Stuff. This is for a rat poison. That's for one of them. How did that happen? So there's all sorts of different reviews being linked to this main product, okay? So what the hell is happening? How on earth did that happen? How on earth did it happen? So the strategy is called co-opting. That is the technical name, I don't know what you call it, for the strategy to co-opt a product. And there's two main ways that it happens. So way number one is that the product starts as one product, and then over time, through incremental changes, it morphs into a completely different product, okay? So it's entirely plausible that this product started life as rat poison and then morphed into rat traps, and then morphed into a rat repellent, and then morphed into this ultrasonic pest repellent, okay? So that could be the cycle of the product. And all they would do in that situation is start selling the rat poison, for instance, and they've got the listing all set up, they get some reviews for that, and then over time they change the images, they change some of the wording, and over time it becomes a completely different product, okay? And you could argue that that's awesome if you're looking at a way of actually updating your product without actually updating and getting a brand new ASIN. That's an awesome thing to do, okay? Completely against Amazon's terms of service, 100% black hat. But for you and I as Amazon sellers, that's actually a great thing to do, because you get to retain all the ratings, and you get to retain all the sales history, you get to retain all the seller feedback, all there for you, okay? And if ever you see somebody, and you'll see this heaps in Facebook groups, looking to buy Amazon listings from people that they're no longer interested in doing, that's what's going on typically. They're looking to do that strategy, like co-opting, okay? So that's one way it happens. The other way that it can happen, pretty simply, is via like a ASIN hijack through. So most products, you've got the opportunity of of adding a parent and a child relationship. So for this one, for instance, the parent could be the ultrasonic pest repeller, and then one of the childs could be 6-pack. So a 6-pack version of that. Okay, so that would be a parent, the main product, child, the 6-pack version. Another child could be a 3-pack. Another child could be a single one of them. Okay, so you've got a parent, child. Okay, how you utilize that in a black hat way is to then is to create or to go onto an existing listing and add your product as one of the variations for it. Pretty simple to do. And from there, your product instantly gets all of the reviews from the existing product. And I reckon that's probably what's happened for this particular listing. They've simply found a product that was dead on Amazon. They've started selling it. So here, like it says, have one to sell on Amazon. So I could start selling this product. They've started selling the dead product that no longer is being used and worked. They've taken all their existing reviews. They've added this product as a variation of the existing product. And now all of a sudden, all the old reviews for rat trap, for bait, all that kind of crap, now apply to this product as well. Completely black hat as well, but works really, really well. So that's how you co-opt and get some black hat reviews through that particular co-opting strategy. Now, I will say, if you are a brand new seller on Amazon, that's actually very, very difficult to do because as you will have noticed, once you put a new product up on Amazon, if you want to make any changes to it, you actually need to tell Amazon and get Amazon's permission before you make any changes, okay? So it's actually very, very difficult to do. That's why, if that's the situation, then you find somebody on Fiverr who's got an existing Amazon account. You're looking for somebody with a Vendor Central account. If you ever want to do this, or stop it, of course, you look for somebody with a Vendor Central account, and that's how you can then get them to make all the changes for you without you having to go through Seller Central to get those changes made. So as a new seller, you can't do that. You have to get a Vendor Central account holder to make all the changes for you, and they can do that. I shouldn't be telling you this stuff. So naughty. Can we have, if we have a bundle, can we split it to form variations? Yes, you can, as long as you send those variations in to Amazon. Yes, you can do that. Or unless you're brand registered. If you're brand registered, one of the things you can do now is something called virtual bundles. That's a whole different conversation though. Can you report this to Amazon? Just to get rid of, look, if I was selling in this category, I would absolutely report this to Amazon, okay? I'm not though. So by all means, you go for it. Thanks for watching this video. That was a video of a Monday night Q&A session I do every single week with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. Our members have got sales of over $50 million and growing, and there's over 2,000 larrikins and layabouts from right across Australia in our community. You can find out more about what we do by clicking on the link below or going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you then. Bye.